ए क्या बोलती तू, ए क्या मैं बोलूं, सुन सुना आती क्या खंडाला. You too can sing this song, travel the world and enjoy your retired life. Life post 60 is one of the most beautiful times for anybody, and it can be made even more wonderful with right financial planning. So today I'm going to be speaking about one such retirement benefit scheme. I have taken 10 frequently asked questions pertaining to the scheme and have tried to answer it. So please do watch the video right till the end. And do give it a thumbs up if you find the information useful. If you want to increase your personal finance vocabulary, please do subscribe to the channel. Without any further delay, let's get today's video started. So guys, today we'll be speaking about SCSS or the Senior Citizens Savings Scheme. Let's look at the first question. What is SCSS? SCSS is a government-backed retirement benefits scheme. You can deposit a lump sum amount once into the scheme, and what it gives you in return is access to regular interest payouts and tax benefits under Section 80D. What amount can be deposited in this scheme and what can be the source of funds? So you can deposit any amount starting from INR 1000 to INR 15 lakhs into the scheme. But please note that the source of fund for this amount can only be your retirement benefits, which means all your provident funds, your gratuity, leave encashment, commutation of pension can be deposited into the scheme. Where can I open the account? So you can open the account across any of the authorized banks or any of the post offices across the country. Can this account be opened online? No, currently we cannot open the SCSS account online. You'll have to visit the authorized banks or the post offices to open the account. It's a very simple process. You just have to fill the relevant forms, give your KYC documents, write down the check for the amount you want to deposit into the SCSS account, and your SCSS account gets opened. Who can open an SCSS account? Any Indian national who is above 60 years of age can open this account. A person who is opting for voluntary retirement between 55 to 60 years of age is also liable to open the SCSS account. How do I get the interest payments? So interest payments can be withdrawn quarterly from the SCSS accounts. You can either visit the branch or the post office to withdraw the amount, register through an ECS facility to get the amounts into the account. Is any nomination facility available? Yes, all senior citizens are encouraged to have nominations across all their accounts, including SCSS, and you can register for nomination on your SCSS account through form number C. The banks that offer the facility to open SCSS account. So currently all banks in the country do not allow you to open the SCSS accounts with them. So Bank of Maharashtra, Allahabad Bank, State Bank of India are some of the banks that have this facility of SCSS accounts. You can look for the complete list in the description box. Do you have tax deductions available for amounts deposited in SCSS accounts? Yes, all amounts deposited with SCSS accounts are liable for tax deduction under 80C of the Income Tax Act. So for example, if you've deposited 1,50,000 rupees as part of your SCSS investment for this financial year, 1,50,000 will not be accounted in your total tax calculation. What is the interest rate for financial year 2021-22? The interest rate for FY 21-22 is 7.4%. So guys, this was all about SCSS. If you have any further questions, please do post it in the comment section. And if you found the information useful, please do share it with your families and friends. Thank you guys. Have a great day.